Welcome back to our channel, The Crypto Society. Today we're here to talk about how to earn $60 per day with Shibaswap. But before we get started, subscribe to our channel to never miss a crypto update. So without any further delay, let's get started, quickly. The cryptocurrency market is huge, and investors see this ever-growing opportunity as an opportunity for the future. Looking at the boom in investor growth, many apps and cryptocurrencies have emerged in the last few years. One such growing cryptocurrency exchange portal is the Shibaswap platform, which has recently received a lot of attention from traders and investors. And some people are wondering what Shibaswap is. If you're one of them, don't worry, here's everything you need to know about it. The newly introduced Shibaswap platform is attracting the attention of investors as it is Shiba Inu's unique decentralized cryptocurrency exchange. The portal allows buyers to trade between Shiba Inu and other crypto coins. However, there are currently only TURF tokens for users. Everyone knows that Dogecoin today is a popular cryptocurrency backed by many billionaires, including Elon Musk, but it started as a joke. But what many are unaware of is that it is also affecting another cryptocurrency called Shibacoin, which is also its own joke coin. The most interesting thing about this cipher is that it advertises itself as a Doge killer. However, as of May 2021, it still has a market capitalization of over $7 billion. The Shib community is said to be over 300,000 strong and may not be completely voluntary, but it certainly creates its own very large name in the crypto community. In addition, according to data from May 14, 2021, Shib tokens have increased by more than 1.2 million%, even after a record low of about 50%. It's a kind of huge growth and can't be compared to any other coin. Earn $60 per day with Shibaswap. Shiba Inu recently launched its own decentralized cryptocurrency exchange platform known as Shibaswap on July 6, 2021. Immediately after launching the platform, cryptocurrencies faced a 3% surge in price. Yes, Elon Musk has had some impact on this launch. He tweeted on June 25, 2021 that his Shiba Inu would be named Floki. Therefore, the stock price of Shiba Inu soared 16% in the cryptocurrency market. Elon Musk is certainly a cryptocurrency influencer who introduces new cryptocurrencies to the world through his mysterious tweets. Shiba Inu is the latest cryptocurrency on the market, but it is already in the spotlight. The Shiba Inu has a nickname known as the Dogecoin Killer and was created as a Dogecoin spin-off to troll the memes associated with it. In the current market scenario, it is becoming one of our favorite cryptocurrencies. We look forward to securing the future in the cryptocurrency market. The Shibaswap platform has two coins, Shib and Leash, and another, Bone, is coming soon. There are multiple ways for investors to take advantage of the new decentralized exchange platform: digging, fetching, filling, exchanging, Bone Folio, woof. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency is already integrated into shopping.io, which consists of over 100 different cryptocurrencies. Investors with Shiba Inu tokens can trade with popular e-commerce sites such as Amazon and Walmart. According to CoinMarketCap, Shiba Inu currently has a market capitalization of 29, down 7.94% to $3,169,495,026.28. Shibaswap, a decentralized exchange platform, decided to stay on the Ethereum blockchain network to maintain transparency. Investors need to connect to a digital wallet to check liquidity. These liquidity providers can profit from transactions that are proportional to the share of the pool. Shibaswap can efficiently obtain Uniswap or SushiSwap LP tokens using the high slip feature. However, the site peaked in controversy after DeFi Safety failed Shibaswap in all 22 reviews and scored 30% to clarify the information in the white paper. Shibaswap tweeted that it was a prime example of the biggest negligence with zero transparency, with a dramatic score of 3%. There is also a warning that Shibaswap's staking contract is under the control of a particular address from day one. The risk of waiting for an investor with a staking contract is high. That said, if you want to invest in Shiba Inu through the new decentralized exchange platform, be aware of the crypto market danger signals. Shibaswap and Shiba Inu. The first coin, the Shiba Inu token, Shib, was listed on Uniswap and basically didn't start trading anything. On May 8, TURF rose more than 300% in anticipation of Elon Musk's Saturday Night Live skit, airing later that day. The Shiba Inu token, the first token activated in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, can be purchased at Uniswap. 50% of the total supply was sent by the founder of the TURF to the decentralized exchange Uniswap, and the rest to Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum visionary. Buterin burned the remaining tokens after donating $1 billion of TURF tokens to the COVID relief fund in India. At the launch of the Shibaswap platform, you can bet Shiba Inu tokens on Shibaswap to dig into another cryptocurrency on the platform, Bone. Bones are advertised as Dogecoin killers, and we don't know how high the price of a single bone will be. Their last token, called the Leash, is the most volatile stablecoin currently in existence. Stablecoin is a cryptocurrency fixed to other values, most commonly the US dollar. However, instead of being fixed to the dollar, the Leash was fixed to the price of the Doge, which became quite volatile. Since then, the Shiba Inu has decided to unleash the Leash token from Dogecoin, so it is no longer fixed at the price of Dogecoin. Current crypto price. This year, the entire cryptocurrency market is rampant. Ethereum has risen well above 100% this year, surpassing Bitcoin's already high returns. These tokens speak for the entire crypto market. The prices of most cryptocurrencies are highly correlated. Be sure to pay attention to the crypto market to find out where the crypto prices are moving. The recent soaring prices of Shiba Inu may be due to the hype about SHIB being listed on Coinbase Pro above all else. Shibaswap offers some interesting products, but the company hasn't made them available to the community yet. If you are interested in Bone, you will need to purchase Shiba Inu, as you will need Shiba tokens to get Shibaswap Bone tokens. If you are interested in speculation, the Shiba Inu may be for you. No, Shiba Inu is not a scam. However, many investors see SHIB as a meme coin that has created value through a dog-themed crypto bubble. This may be true, but Shiba Inu has developed an ecosystem around the token. This makes your project more useful than ever. Shibaswap is a decentralized exchange built around SHIB that has earned a total of over $1 billion in locked value, TVL, within 24 hours of its release. No, TURF does not reach $1. With hundreds of trillions of tokens currently being supplied, the price per token is very low. However, due to its high supply, it will make more money than the entire US GDP to reach close to $1. Can you earn $60 per day with Shibaswap? With the advent of the Shiba Inu, the strange world of cryptocurrencies has become even more strange. Today, among the top 30 cryptocurrencies in the world, its sustainability is a testament to the power of memes, the infectivity of investor groupthink, and the cuteness of fluffy dogs. But is the coin, which calls itself a Doji coin killer, a legitimate crypto investment opportunity now with over 550,000 users? There are many things to consider before answering that question. Unlike Bitcoin, which currently trades at around $35,000 per coin, Shiba Inu can be purchased with just a few slivers of a penny, about $0.000008082 per token. According to Barron's, the logic is that cheaper coins attract more audiences. By comparison, Dogecoin is trading at a much higher price of 26 cents. It's all been working, but like everything related to crypto trading, volatility is the name of the game with the Shiba Inu. On the day Buterin made a donation to India, the coin temporarily lost half of its value. This is reduced by 50% in a day, purely based on investor sentiment and reaction to news articles. In the world of cryptocurrencies, this is not unusual at all. If you can handle such heat, be aware of the nature of the roller coaster you are about to board. The Shiba Inu soared to a record high of $0.00035. The price crashed into earth almost immediately, and within 10 days as it is today, the number contained an extra zero. If you want to look at your digital wallet and see millions, billions, or even trillions of things, it's no better than the Shiba Inu, but most experts recommend it as a sound investment strategy. I don't. Cryptography is generally currently sluggish, especially the Ethereum-based tokens such as Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. If that trend is reversed, it is perfectly logical to believe that Shiba Inu will be lifted by the tide. But it's just as easy to find an expert who predicts that the coins of the moment will soon be thrown into the trash pile of crypto history, along with the rest of the fallen altcoins. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section.